So it would be it wouldn't be a bad assumption to say that in 60 meters, we can consider the Earth to be a flat surface. It's a fair assumption. But then at the end of the day, it is not ultimately fair because you may level a road from 0 to 100 kilometers. So as much as you're doing 60 meters cumulatively, you are going to 100 meters. And you cannot assume that from 0 to 100 is a horizontal surface. It will be the level line. So it means for whatever observations we take, we should correct coordination to be able to move it from the horizontal line to a level line. Because you have the vertical line at point A, when you move to point B, the vertical line has changed. Remember, you're in a curve. So the vertical line is not parallel to the vertical line at the other point. They're all pointing towards the center of the Earth. So it means also the level line, the horizontal line, has also changed. So horizontal and level has nothing to do with the ellipsoid. Ellipsoid is a geometric representation of the surface of the Earth. This level horizontal line is to do with the line of sight of the machine and the approximate figure of the Earth, which is the sphere or mean sea level or the geoid. I hope I have addressed your question.
Yes, clear.
Paul. Okay. Somebody saying, from this sketch, where do you imagine the observer? Who can tell us from this sketch where the observer is? To the left, to the right-hand side? Or where, on the telescope, where is the objective lens, the eyepiece lens and the objective lens?
The left.
To the left, yes. So with this line, we are assuming that the observer is to the left, the eyepiece is to the left, the objective is to the right-hand side. So if there isn't any other question, then we close, do our revision, and then we'll build on that in the subsequent class. Question, they are free to leave, and I will upload the notes for distance measurement right away. The ones for leveling are there. I'll just unlock so that people are able to view them. So you're free to leave shortly after. When no question, I'll close the class.